Hello students. First point is nth term of an AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Very important formula. You can find any nth term by An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. What is An? That is nth term. What is A? This is called first term. What is D? This is your common difference. What do you mean by n? N is number of terms. Okay, come on the second. Last term of an AP. Formula will be the same. L is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. Nth term of an AP from the end, from the back. From the end means from the back side you have to find the nth term. This is L is equal to L minus n minus 1D. This is very important one. Okay, now first question is you have given A, D, N and you have to find An. What we know, An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. What is A? A is 7. N is 8 minus 1, D is what? 3. 7 plus, this is 8 minus 1, 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 and here 21 plus 7, 28 is your answer. A you have to find, D is given to you, N is given and An is given to you. What is the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. An is minus 5. A you have to find n minus 1. N is your 18. So I put 18 here. 18 minus 1. What is D is minus 3? Put D is minus 3. Clear? Whatever is given to you variables, you put the values of it. Minus 5 as it is, equal sign as it is, A as it is. 18 minus 1 is 17. Okay. 17 into minus 3 is minus 51. This is your minus 51. Now send minus 51 this side. Plus 51 and this is your 46. A is equal to 46. This is first. Come on the second part. A is given to you minus 18.9, D is 2.5 and you have to find An is 3.6. So what formula we know? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. An is equal to A plus, A is your minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 D. This is minus 18.9, send this side, this will be plus 18.9. When you add these, okay, you will get 22.5 upon 2.5 n minus 1. Then point to point cut, 25 9s are. Okay, then 9 is equal to n minus 1. 9 plus 1, that is n. That is your 10. 10 is your answer. One more it is. Second question, you have to find 11th term of this AP. Okay, in AP what is given? N is given to you clearly. A is given clearly. D, second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. Okay, second term is minus 1 by 2. Here minus minus plus 3. So LCM of 2 and 1, that is 2. So you will get minus 1 plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 upon 2. This will be 5 upon 2. D you will get 5 upon 2. You have to find A11. A11. So first of you write the formula of An. An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Okay. So A is minus 3 plus n is what? 11 minus 1 and D is 5 by 2. So what will come here? Minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. Minus 3 plus 25. This is 22 is your. The question is given to you. These numbers are in AP. You have to find this missing number. Let that number be x. And what we know the general term of AP, A plus D, A plus 2D. Then what is given here? A is equal to 2. Clearly A is equal to 2. And A plus 2D is equal to 26. Put value of A here. 26 minus 2 is 24. D will be 12. Here, what you have to find x? What is x? A plus D. What is A? X will become 14. This is your answer. It's very simple. One more. You have given A is equal to 5. And A plus 3D is equal to 18 and 1 19 upon 2. Then what will be 3D? 19 upon 2 minus A. Minus A, no? When A goes that side. Then this is minus 5. 3D is equal to 2 is LCM 19. 5 2s are 10. This is your 9 by 2. Okay, now see what will be D? 9 upon 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. D is coming 3 upon 2. We have to find x and y. Check it. What is x? A plus D. X is what? A plus D. A plus D. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3. 13 upon 2. And what is y? A plus 2D. 2D. 5 plus 3. This is your answer. Next one. One more. Minus 4. And these 3 are blank. 4 are blank. See. Let's say these are x, y, z and t. And last term it is given to you A plus 5D. Okay. A is your minus 4 and A plus 5D is equal to 6. Minus 4 is here. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then D will be 2. Clear? Okay. A plus D. A is what? Minus 4. And D is what? 2 plus 2. This is minus 2. What is Y? A plus 2D. Okay, what is A? A is minus 4. Plus 2D. 2 into 2. This is 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is become 0. What is Z? A plus 3D. 3 2 is 6. Plus 6. This is 2. Plus 6 minus 4 is 2. And what is T then? A plus 4D. 4 2s are 8. Okay. 8. This is 4. Like this you can get all messages. AP is given to you. It is 78. 78 is your last term. Okay. So you can write like this. L is given to you 78. A is clearly given to you 3. Difference D. Difference means common difference. Second term minus first term. 8 minus 3. This is 5. N you have to find. What is the formula of last term? L is equal to A plus N minus 1D. L is equal to A plus N minus 1D. What is L? 78. A is 3. N minus 1 is N minus 1. What is D? D is here 5. So 78, send 3 this side. N minus 1, this is 5. This is 75 upon 5. It is N minus 1. Okay. This is 15. 15 and send 1 come here. 16 is your answer. Get it? The next question is the same. A is given, L is given, D you can find, and you have to find what? Number of terms. Come on, right. A is given, D you can find 31 minus 15 to the 30 plus 1. 31 upon 2 minus 18. 31 minus 36 minus 5 upon 2. What is L? This. N you have to find. Very simple. Write the formula again. L is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. What is L is this? A is your 18 plus N minus 1. D is what? Minus 5 by 2. Is very clear? Okay. Send minus 18 this side. This is minus 5 by 2. This is minus 65 and divide by minus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 2 minus cut. 65 into 2 upon 5, this is n minus 1. 13. 13 to the 26 and minus 1 will come this side. This will become plus. This is 27. N is equal to 27 is your answer. Come on the next question.